day, this is the Professor, CBMG PhD, and today's Thursday, September 7th, 2023. It is 10:51 and 7 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, blood cell. So let's hop to it here. The blood cell insights offer potential boost to lung cancer therapies. Date August 30th, 2023. Source, University of Edinburgh. As fresh discoveries about a type of immune cells could give lung cancer patients a more accurate prognosis and better identity who will benefit from immunotherapies. Researchers found that the location in and around tumors of cytotoxic T cells, which play a key role in fighting cancer, may help protect patient survival and indicate whether or not treatments will work. The findings could help to pave the way for improved immunotherapies, powerful but expensive, life-extending treatments which currently fail in 80% of cases, allowing them to work more effectively in more patients. Experts caution, however, that further research and tests are needed alongside the integration of new technologies before any application in clinical practice is possible. As lung cancer is one of the most common cancers worldwide and is a leading cause of cancer-related deaths, it is often diagnosed at an advanced stage when conventional treatments are less effective. The microbiologists and scientific researchers investigated why immunotherapy fails so often against the disease by examining molecules that can interfere with the activity of T cells, a type of white blood cell that fights disease. Immunotherapies work by boosting the activity of cytotoxic T cells, which play a key role in patrolling the body to detect and kill cancer cells, and often become exhausted when battling tumors. As tumors grow, they use complex mechanisms to escape destruction, including interfering with the activity of immune cells, such as T cells. The team examined tumor tissue from 162 patients undergoing surgery for non-small cell lung cancer, the most common type, which accounts for more than 80% of lung cancer cases. The results revealed that high levels of two enzymes, CD39 and CD73, found on the surface of many different types of immune cells, were associated with reduced patient survival if found in tissue near the tumors. As T cells have an inbuilt safety mechanism designed to stop them from becoming overactive when fighting an infection, by raising the levels of these enzymes, tumors exploit this and escape destruction. The team also found that both the location and types of T cells that express these enzymes can also play an important role in helping to predict a patient's prognosis and success of immunotherapy. High levels of CD39 on the surface of cytotoxic T cells located inside tumor nests, clusters, and cancer cells were associated with increased patient survival and a better response to immunotherapy. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say, in contrast, when the same CD39 cytotoxic T cells were found inside of these tumor nests in a region called the stroma, they did not affect patient survival. The findings were consistent even when other factors were taken into consideration, such as a patient's age, tumor size, and whether they received chemotherapy in addition to surgery. Understanding the mechanisms that suppress T cells and control their location can improve immunotherapy outcomes and better predict which patients will benefit from them. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Later Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.